Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update, which definitely is needed. Yesterday we got the crash that we were expecting down towards that 25,000, 24,700 level, which I'm not sure. I mean, we've been talking about that for weeks now, or not weeks, but for the last week or so. So it happened, and but what we saw over the course of the evening after and the night is that it fully recovered, and now practically Bitcoin is back in the same situation in some sort of a consolidation between 25,850 and 25,600. But it's even looking stronger. The volume right now is increasing rapidly. This could really be the start of some good things happening for Bitcoin. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about all of the different market circumstances right now, which you need to know about. But apart from that, we'll just do a full update so you know what to expect from Bitcoin, but also crypto in general. Before we do that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader, but apart from that you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. The links will be down in the description. But for now, let's actually get into Bitcoin itself. So right now, like I said, I mean, Bitcoin really is trying to get some sort of a bullish breakout. In general, it seems like yesterday quite a lot of money was dumped. And now that there's some huge buy orders, especially earlier this morning, like around 4 hours ago or something. Where that comes from, I'm not sure. Perhaps it's a positive expectation of the inflation rate, which is tomorrow. In general, sometimes these Mondays/Tuesdays are just very volatile, which has also happened right now. Overall, I still think that the general direction of the market is down. Like I said, I mean, you all know the reasons. September usually is quite bearish. The dollar strength index right now is still very strong, which actually is pretty weird that Bitcoin is getting bullish momentum through a strong dollar strength index. It could be a lot of things. It could be it could be a bit of manipulation, like everything that's going on with FTX. Like people were expecting a big sell-off, not the people in the premium group though, it could be a lot of things, like just in general, times like these when the volume is low, and you get a lot of volatility. Things like these can happen, and to be honest, I just don't have the answers for you right now. Just that at this point in time, the market structure is really still the same, and Bitcoin looks bullish. So if it's able to get some sort of a bullish breakout right now above 25,850, I think it will continue all the way up to 26,200 and 26,400 again. Now, do I think this is the start of some sort of a new rally or some sort of a bullish Bitcoin? I don't think so. All right, it could be, of course, it's crypto. But for that to happen, we would need to see a lot more bullish confirmation, like at least a bullish breakout above 26,400, and that doesn't seem to be close right now. So sure, it's possible that we'll get up a little bit higher right now within this range, within this bigger range, but I would still say it's more likely that that Bitcoin will actually drop down, that it will stay in this little range, consolidate. I think the general direction still is down, and then depending on the inflation rate tomorrow, which is obviously big news, and I will cover that a little bit more extensively over the course of the next 24 hours. But based on the results of this, sure, more bullish momentum could kick in, but it could also be true that with this strong dollar and with overall the situation in the US, that's not necessarily good for Bitcoin and for risk on assets. It could also be that will just be the knife in the back of Bitcoin, and that then we'll see another bearish breakout through 25,600, and that will drop down towards that same old support level between 24,700 and 25,000, which ultimately is still the most likely scenario. Just on the short term, based on some price movements, we could still get some bullish momentum. But that's my take on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.